Addition and subtraction of fractions. This is a very useful for all the mathematics students. This is the basic math. If you don't know how to add and subtract the fractions, the whole math is wrong. Okay. So now I am starting the first rule. If the denominators are the same, let us take the two fractions. Suppose 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. The denominator is same in the both. We can add simply by taking 2 LCM and 1 plus 3 equal to 4 by 2. And you will get the answer 2 by cancel 2 into 2, 4. Okay. Another example, suppose 7 by 9 plus 1 by 9 plus 3 by 9. You can add simply by taking 9 at the denominator and 7 plus 1 plus 3. It means 11 by 9. Now you can convert into the mixed number. 9 into 1, 1. Here is the quotient. And when divided by 9, 11, you will get the 2 as a remainder. And the denominator is 9. It means 1 whole 2 by 9. Because this is an improper fraction. Okay. So similarly, you can add simply when the denominators are same. Same the process of subtraction. Suppose 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Simply you can subtract, take 2 at the denominator and 3 minus 1 in numerator. 2 by 2 equal to 1. 11 by 4 minus 3 by 4. You can simply 11 minus 3, 8 by 4. You will get the answer 2. So you can subtract and add easily fractions when the denominators are same. But the condition is different when the denominators are different. This is a big problem for the students. Simply suppose I am adding 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. The denominators of both fractions are different. Now take LCM of 2 and 3. First you know how to find LCM. LCM is the least common multiple. Okay. The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Simply 2 into 3, 6. Right here 6. What is the method? The method is 6 divided by 2. First 6 divided by 2 and whatever you get multiplied in the numerator. Numerator is 1. It means 3 into 1, 3. You will get 3 here. Same 6 divided by 3 and multiply in the numerator. Numerator is 1. 3, 2 into 1, 2. Right here 2. The answer of this is 5 by 6. This work can be done you verbally. Okay. Another example. If 2 by 3 plus 5 by 9. Okay. The denominators are different and numerator is also different. Now take LCM of 3 and 9. LCM of 3 and 9. How to find LCM? Just the simple process. 3 and 9 divided by 3. You will get 3 divided by 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. Now again 1, 1. You will get here 1. It means LCM is 3 into 3, 9. Okay. Take the LCM here 9. Okay. Now divide 9 by 3. 9 divided by 3 you get 3. 3 threes are 9. Then 3 into 2, 6. Simple. What I am done? 9 divided by 3 denominator. It means LCM divided by denominator. Whatever you get, multiply into numerator. Okay. Plus 9 divided by 9 is 1. 1 into 5, 5. And you will get The answer is 11 by 9. Okay. Next, another example. 5 by 7, 1 by 14, and another one 2 by 21. Okay. First, we have take the LCM of 7, 14 and 21. Right. 7, 14 and 21. Multiply 7 divided by 7, 1, 2, 3. None in number is a common. Okay. If you want to divide it by 2, you will get this. And next, 3, 1, 1, 1. It means divided till we get 1, 1, 1. Now LCM is 7 into 2 into 3. LCM is 7 into 2 into 3. 7 into 2, 14. 14 into 3 is 42. Okay. So just write LCM here. Okay. 42. What is the process? 42 divided by 7. 42 by 7 is 6. 7 6 is 42. 6 into 5. 30. It means 14 divided by 7, and whatever you get, multiply into this. This is a multiplication. Here is the division. Okay. Next. 14 3 ja. 14 into 3. 14 3 ja. 42. 3 into 1. 3. 21 2 ja 42. 2 into 2. 4. Now the answer is 33 plus 4. 37 by 42. Easily you can add. Okay, this is the process of addition and the same process of subtraction. Now the subtract 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. The numerators are same, but the denominator is different. The simple process, LCM of 2 and 4. LCM of 2 and 4 means 1 into 2. Simple LCM. 2 into 2, 4. Right here LCM. Okay. Now divide 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2. Same process. 2 times and 2 into 1, 2. Minus 4 ones are 4. 1 into 1 this. You will get 1 by 4. Okay. The process is LCM divided by denominator. Whatever you get, multiply in the numerator and write here. Okay. Next, 10 by 3 minus 2 by 9. Okay. The LCM of 3 and 9 is 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 into 10, 30. 9 ones are 9 into 2. Then you will get 28 by 9. You can convert into mixed number because it is a improper fraction. 9 3s are 27. And the remainder is 1. 3 whole 1 by 9. Another type of fraction, if you want to add and subtract, like this. 1 plus 1 by 2. How will you add? Just simply write 1 in the denominator. And remain the process is same. LCM of 1 and 2, 2. 1 2s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Plus 1. You will get 3 by 2. Same subtraction, 1 minus 1 by 2. Same process, divided by 2 minus 1, 1 by 2. Okay. If you have to subtract 10 minus 1 by 2. So simply you can 10 into 2 into 10, 20 minus 1 by 2. Answer is 19 by 2. You can do like this. 100 plus, suppose any example, 2 whole 1 by 2. Like the question is like this. Then you can do 100 plus 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. And now 2 into 100, 200 plus 5 by 2. 200, 5 by 2. And you can convert into the mixed number 102 1 whole. Okay, this is the addition and subtraction of fractions. You can do like practice like type.